Welcome back. Today I am going to show you a new feature in MEE6 bot. They have added Embed. Now you can also send Embed message with the help of MEE6. Alright, let's start. After going to the dashboard of MEE6, you will see a new option which is Embed message. Let's see how to send Embed message. Now, in Post channel you will need to select your channel where you want to send the message. In description, this will your Embed message name on the dashboard of MEE6, like this. Now let's talk about Embed message. In author name, you will need to write your name and your account profile picture. Here you will need to upload your server profile picture or something else. In title text, you will need to type header, like about reaction roles or something else. Here you will need to type your message which you want and can also send animated emojis. In footer text you can write anything here which you want. Now let's see in the video. Make sure the bot have all the permissions in that channel or category. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new from this video. Don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel.